Let's go ahead and edit some data in the cells. If you have, I just went ahead and imported some data. However, if you want to just click in a cell, you can type whatever you'd like. And then just hit the Enter key to go move down. The other thing is, if I want to change this text here, I don't have to come over here. I don't have to delete it. All I have to do is just start typing again, and it will change what I've written. Okay. Okay, so that's how you, and to get rid of it, you just hit the backspace and it will all go away. So the second thing that you can do now is you can format just one cell. So if I want to click on this cell right here, I can go ahead and format that. I can change the size of the font. I can go ahead and bold it or make the color different color, or even the background a different color. I can select a whole column and do the same thing. So I can go ahead and change the text alignment. I can choose a column by the touching on the letter. I can choose a row by touching on the number. And if I want to go ahead and do a whole row at a time, I can go ahead and italicize it and maybe bold it. So there's a lot of things that you can do. If I want to add the color, if I add the color with selecting the whole row, it's going to color my whole row across here. So what I really want to do is just highlight those, and then I can go ahead and change the color right there. So you see that I don't have some of my writing or my text showing here. I can simply double click between the two letters and it will automatically open to the correct size. Or if you don't want to do that, you can also select the column or your whole sheet if you want to, and then go out here to format, and you're going to go ahead and go to text wrapping. So I can go ahead and wrap the text. And so what that did was it made the rows bigger if they needed to be bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. If you want to select the whole sheet, right here, you just click between the 1 and the A in that little box right here, and then you can format the whole sheet. So let's go ahead and change the font on that one. And let's go ahead and widen that one right there. So you can change a lot of different things. You can also put cell borders on here. So if I want cell borders, and let's just say I want them right here, the cell borders are right here. So you have some choices. Maybe you just want an outline, and I changed the color so you can not see that as well. Or maybe I want all of them to have borders, or maybe I just want to have no borders. I can do that. Maybe I just want a bottom border. So you have choices of what you'd like to do, and I can also change the border style. So you can add those borders as well. Another thing that you might do if you are doing a special kind of spreadsheet, you could change the text rotation. So you could change it so that they're all facing upwards. Just lots of fun things to do here. The other thing that maybe a lot of people like to do, I'm going to go ahead and undo that, is to add a title. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a row. So I'm going to come here and insert a row above, sorry. And I'm going to put a title on here. So I'm just going to put title. Now, if I want to have this centered across all of these, what I have to do is merge these cells. So I select all these cells right here, and then I come up here to Format, Merge Cells, Merge Horizontally, and then my title is in this cell. And as I add things to this, you can see that I keep centering through the entire merged cell because I do have it uncentered. If I want it to be left orientation, I can. So those are some of the things that you can do. You can play around any of these items right here. Oh, one more thing. let's just say you want to change the way the numbers look or the date looks or anything. You can click on the whole column. And I come up here to Format. And right here I have choices. So if you have money, you can put dollar signs in front of it. And then my date is already here with the month, the day, and the year. But maybe I want to change it so that it looks like I want the month spelled out, or I want the year first. I can choose all of these different kinds of formats. And so let's just, for fun, let's go to this one right here and apply it. And you can see it makes my date very long, but it automatically found that October 31st on 1995 was on a Tuesday. So you can also change the formatting for special numbers and special items that you have. So again, so let's go here to the format and the number. And so you see that you have percents and scientific and different kinds of formats that you have here. So, and then you can also do a custom number format. So that's the basic editing and formatting of a spreadsheet.